Do you have keto questions? This book has all the answers.
What's up, guys? I've got a hot take for you. Check out the Keto Answers book by Anthony Gustin and Chris Urban. This thing is the Bible for everything keto.
Guys, this book is pure gold. Everyone go get your copy right now.
This book is my new blueprint for succeeding on keto.
Hello, my name is Darren Peel. I am a keto health coach. Most keto books are laid out as just recipes or workouts that you just blindly follow, that you flip through once and never revisit again. What I specifically love about the Keto Answers book is it's laid out in a question and answer format.
I thought I would like it going into it, ended up loving it.
What I especially love is at the end of the book, there's a reference guide that you can actually look up your specific questions and just go right to that point.
I'm thrilled that finally there is a one-stop shop for all things you need to know about low carb and ketogenic dieting.
I'd like to think I know a little bit about the ketogenic diet being a keto coach, but I was learning something new on every single page. Thank you guys for putting this together. I love it and couldn't recommend it enough.
But regardless of whatever problem you're trying to solve, boom, it's right here.
I just picked up the Keto Answers book and I cannot put it down. This is the holy grail of keto questions answered.
The best keto veggies. Haven't even heard of most of these.
Will here. If you're looking for a book that's going to help you get into keto, stay in keto, and kind of relieve a lot of that uncertainty, like as to all the what ifs that kind of arise, the Keto Answers book is for you.
I've been doing keto for the past 2 years, and every page had something interesting and new on it that I learned and I'm going to apply in my everyday life. Check it out today. It's awesome.